year, and we actually recognized Workz last year. They are one of the innovative partners we have because they're very professional, very responsive. You guys are good at coming up with new ideas, strategies to reduce costs, which is really helpful for us. We need a partner like Workz.
I was quite impressed. I've seen a state-of-the-art facility, and the most important, I've seen a lot of people, dedicated and committed people for the quality.
I liked mostly the aspects of the testing and how each module is actually managed and tested for it to be within the certain standards and the quality required.
We are partnered with Workz almost 12 years. Since we launched, we are working with them. The new work facilities of Workz was amazing. It has cope up with the latest technology.
Working with Workz is really very amazing. They always meet our expectation.
Workz is very efficient. They deliver on time. If there's a schedule that has been confirmed, there's never been a slippage, and this is what we are looking for.